Long story short, some old finger spinners, magnets, and time. Just playing around. Some experiments lead up to maybe something, maybe it won't. Got a few ideas. The noise is some very unhappy bearings in some devices that are getting pulled in many directions, very rapidly changing. When you spend $3 on finger spinners, you're not exactly getting the best quality of components like the bearings. But hey, they're they're gadgets. They're fun to play with. Always wanted to do something like this. The bearings are pressed into some plastic sleeves that I manipulated the size to accept the bearings, and then get pressed into the center holes of the spinners, and then hot glued in. I've got some playing around to do. I want to get a set of a set of magnets in each hole to better spread the force out and increase the force. But like I said, got a lot of playing around to do. End with some slow-mo.